There is another way to create geometries in SketchUp is with follow me tools. So I'm gonna say it as a push or pull tool with a proper path we have given to it. So we have the push follow me tool here under the push and pull tool, and the direction you can see there is a direction with arrow, and also you can find it under the tools and follow me. So I'll gonna select it. So you can see the cursor has changed our logo, and this particular logo is the follow me tools. So for that, before using this tool, I have to create some lines. I'm gonna create some lines along with some arcs. So we have a proper line here. Okay, so for that, before using follow me tools, I want a pipe with this particular path along this particular path. So for that, I'm going to use circle command. Here we have circle, and I will draw a circle here like this, and I have to just make it from here. So what will I do is, like, I will go under tools and I will use follow me, and I will hover around this particular circle, and then my cursor will hover around this. So I'm gonna follow this path, this connected path, and following that I will go till this end point. Now you can see I have created a pipe. You can see from here also there are pipes here that I have created, and I think hidden is on. So yeah, so it's a shape of a pipe. So I'll make it more visible. I will make something very small. Something like this. And like this. I'm gonna create a circle here. I'm gonna use circle. I'll make it along this red axis, and then I will again go to under the tool and use follow me, and I will click this face and follow it along this particular line. After the end of particular line, I will follow this line here, and after the end of this shape I will follow this, and dragging along with the path that I need to go for. Now you can see we have created a pipe along this path, which is really useful for us. And you can see there is a, what we can say, junction where it is not smooth. So we'll do the same that we did earlier with the edges on circle. We'll go under this entity information and use this, select this particular edge, and I will soften it and smooth it. Now you can see it is now smooth, and yeah, so it's quite explanatory. So one more thing I want to add it here, like I want to make it like this. Okay, and I want to make something follow. I will make a rectangle, and I just don't want to drag. Here I am trying to show you without dragging we can make a follow me command. So for that I will make a rectangle here. I will make along red axis, And for that, what I will do, I will select the path first. Okay, we have selected the path, and then after that I'll use the tool follow me, and I will just one click, I'll left click once, and now it has followed the path, you can see. So it's quite explanatory, and it's quite easy to make some structures that are quite more complex to follow. So it saves your time and you find it really easy. So yeah, so try it by yourself. These are the tools that what I personally find it very helpful for me while creating 3D models. So once you will be pro in this particular tool, in particles tool, you will be happy to create, and you will find it easy to create more and more complex modeling in this SketchUp.